Every solar panel begins with raw materials extracted from the earth. Quartz supplies the silicon needed for modern photovoltaic technology.
Processed minerals enter a carefully coordinated industrial supply chain.
Large stones are reduced before entering advanced refinement stages. Continuous transport keeps production moving without interruption.
Material classification improves efficiency throughout the manufacturing process.
Consistent quality starts with carefully controlled raw materials. Selected quartz is prepared for the next manufacturing stage. Additional metals provide conductivity inside completed solar cells.
The journey now moves towards specialized solar manufacturing facilities.
Refined minerals begin their journey towards specialized manufacturing facilities.
This represents a significant leap forward in manufacturing. By harnessing the power of these new materials,
Reliable transportation keeps modern production systems continuously supplied.
Infrastructure connects distant resource sites with advanced production centers.
Every shipment follows a carefully coordinated logistics network. Essential materials now move directly towards solar manufacturing operations.
Modern factories rely on enormous support systems beyond their walls. Incoming materials are documented before entering the production chain.
Precise inventory management ensures uninterrupted factory operations.
The raw materials have arrived, and manufacturing is ready to begin. This facility transforms raw minerals into advanced solar energy technology. Strict procedures protect quality throughout every manufacturing stage. Consistent safety standards guide every task inside the facility. Manufacturing begins with carefully controlled industrial environments.
Incoming materials are verified before entering production operations. Every shipment must meet precise manufacturing requirements.
Internal logistics keep materials moving through continuous workflows.
Massive production halls support high-volume solar manufacturing.
Production systems prepare materials for the first refinement stages. The next stage removes impurities before advanced silicon production begins. Cleaning removes contaminants that could affect future silicon purity. Excess moisture is removed before precision sorting begins. Advanced sensors detect even the smallest material inconsistencies.
In the heart of the city, this state-of-the-art facility merges precision engineering with unparalleled human skill.
Hidden metallic particles are removed before advanced purification.
Clean raw materials are safely stored before silicon production.
accurate feeding ensures stable conditions for downstream processing. The purified quartz is now ready for transformation into silicon. Purified quartz now enters the process that creates elemental silicon. Extreme heat separates oxygen from quartz to produce raw silicon. Controlled cooling prepares silicon for further purification stages. Additional refinement removes impurities measured in tiny fractions.
In the relentless rhythm of the urban factory floor, efficiency often clashes with human error, leading to moments of intense friction that halt the mechanized flow.
Next, silicon will be transformed into crystals for solar wafers. A tiny seed crystal begins shaping the silicon structure. Silicon atoms align into a highly ordered crystal structure. The resulting ingot forms the foundation of future solar cells. The crystal is shaped for efficient wafer production. Precision slicing creates wafers thinner than a few sheets of paper. Every wafer must be perfectly clean before cell production begins. Special surface textures help capture more incoming sunlight.
Semiconductor layers transform wafers into functioning solar cells.
The first recognizable solar cells now begin to appear. Next, automation prepares these cells for final panel assembly.
Automation moves fragile solar cells with remarkable speed and precision. This is where the future takes shape. A mesmerizing dance of precision engineering, where raw material
Individual cells combine to form larger power-generating assemblies. Panel structures begin taking shape through coordinated automation. Protective glass shields the cells while allowing sunlight to pass.
Protective layers safeguard the panel throughout decades of operation.
Lamination transforms separate components into a single durable unit.
In the heart of the automated factory, precision robotics ensure that every weld meets the highest standards. This remarkable
Assembly is complete, but precision finishing still remains.
Finished assemblies now undergo detailed finishing and preparation procedures. Even tiny particles are removed before final inspection begins.
Automated imaging systems search for defects invisible to the eye.
Here we see the future of manufacturing, a seamless blend of human expertise and advanced robotics working in perfect synchronization.
critical electrical connections are completed for long-term performance.
Structural precision is verified before performance evaluation begins.
Controlled light conditions reveal the panel's energy output capability.
Performance values are carefully measured and recorded.
Before shipment, every panel must pass rigorous quality verification.
Every finished panel enters a comprehensive quality verification process.
Electrical measurements confirm reliable energy generation performance. Specialized imaging exposes hidden flaws beneath the surface. Mechanical durability is verified for long-term field operation. Detailed records ensure every panel meets production standards. Complete traceability follows every solar panel beyond the factory. Finished products are stored until customer orders are released. Completed shipments are prepared for distribution across global markets.
And this is how modern factories produce solar panels from start to finish.